Hello, in this session we're going to look at how to install an SSL certificate onto a domain. If you can see here, I have the domain x1.ie, and this is the home page. And you can see here I'm just on the HTTP part. I'm just going to type in HTTPS :/ just to show you here. So you get this connection is not private. Okay, so again, I could go advanced and carry on, but instead of that, I'm going to actually put a signed certificate on this domain, and I'm going to get it from Rapid SSL here. So you can see I've got a Rapid SSL opened up, and again, you get a standard 128 or 256-bit certificate. Okay, so I want to go through the install process on how this is exactly done. Okay, the first thing I'll need is to go to where I have my domain, which is the in Black Knight control panel here. You can see it here. And under account, you can actually get what's called a CSR, or certificate signing request, and a private key. So I've actually done that already just to speed things up. It's just a click button and it will get you the domain you want it on. From there, I'm going to go to website configuration, and under here I've got a few tabs here. What I'm going to go to is SSL, okay, and install the certificate. So I'm going to choose the files from where I have them, but I have to get them first from Rapid SSL. So I'll go over here, and again, I'll just sign up for this, and I'll take you through this. So I've just clicked add to cart. I'm going to take it for 1 year. It's 17 bucks, 17 to 18 bucks. Again, I think the last time I bought this, it was about 10 bucks, but we'll go anyway. So I'll add to cart and continue on here. Okay, so I've just gone through the checkout process there, and now on the generate the certificate. Okay, so again, it's the name of the domain here and the country. Okay, here. So let me just do that. So you can see here, there's my domain, the country. I'm not going to be using it for e-commerce. And I'm going, how do you wish to verify domain ownership? I'm going to place a unique file on my website. Okay, so again, I would have to have FTP access. Okay, so you probably wouldn't be securing a domain if you don't have that. Now at this stage, it's asking me, it's going to be a new certificate. I'm doing file-based authentication. And I'm going to enter the what's called the CSR, or the certificate signing request. Again, I would have got this from the Black Knight server. I've just opened it up in Notepad to show you what it looks like. It looks like something like this. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it in. Control V. And there's the request there. It's asking me the type of server that I'm using. I know Black Knight uses cPanel and the algorithm there, so I'll just continue on. Okay, so when I hit continue, it's pulling up the domain, and this is the information that you actually type in when you're generating the certificate signing request. You type in the information, so you can see here what's going to happen here. Okay, I can put in the information for, again, domain information for the site, technical and stuff like that. I'll just do that now. When you just type in, I don't want to show my personal information there, so I'll just, I'm down here at the, just make sure you check that you've read and accept the terms of agreement, and just continue there. So you can see now, because I've chosen to do file authentication, it's saying create this directory structure, and download this file and upload it into it. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll just download that and do that. Okay, I've just used FTP to upload that. This particular, I created those directories. I copy that, so I'm just going to go to where I have this, and paste in that. And there's the the SSL company can actually see this now, so that's what I want. Okay, so now I'll just go to my email and have a look to see if I got the certificate. Okay, so there's the Rapid SSL. I'll scroll out at the end of this. So here's my web server certificate. Okay, and an intermediate CA as well. We'll talk about that later on. But okay, but really what I want is all of this. Let me just copy this. Copy their certificate. Make sure you include N certificate as well in this. And let's pop this now into the Black Knight control panel. So here I am at Black Knight. Okay. So choose the certificate that contains the certificate you want to install. I'll click next here. I can choose a file. Okay. So what I can do here is just put that certificate into Notepad++ and then save it as a text file and upload that. Okay, so I've done that. Cert.txt, and there's my private key. I'll click next. Okay, you're ready to change your website. Click below. Okay, so again, happy enough with that. I'll just click finish. And it's telling me there that it's installed. Let me just check it out. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to check it out by, I'll just type in HTTP. Now, if you remember there, just at the start of this video, I typed in HTTPS and I got an error message. Well, not an error message, a warning message. Okay, so HTTP // Okay, and you can see there the transition. If you look at my URL here, the transition was perfect, no errors. Let me just click on the little lock here and certificate. Okay, and you can see there issue to X1. It's a Rapid SSL. Okay, today's date. Okay, and details and certification path. Okay, so that's the steps through to authenticating a Rapid SSL certificate. Okay, or sorry, just an ordinary certificate. As you can see, what was required in order to prove that the domain was mine. Okay, here. So if you purchase a domain from Black Knight, DigiWeb, whoever, GoDaddy, what will happen is you'll get the domain. So that's your part of it there. They just asked me to create this pathway there. Let me just open up FileZilla just to show you that. So you can see here. So there's the domain x1.ie, the folder. Okay, if I open up that, you can see it asks me to create .wellknown, and then inside .wellknown, there's PKI validation. Okay, and there's the file which I downloaded. That was this one here. Okay, so that's file-based, again, authentication there. Just as long as you own the domain, you can pop that up there. Okay, thank you for your attention on this.